Hello YouTube, this is a tutorial on how to install the Project Diva extended Hatsune Miku extended patch for English. Sorry for my talking. Anyways, let's get started. Readme text, blah blah blah. Anyways, this is how you install it. First, go to your PSP. Of course, the requirements is computer, laptop, USB cable, and a fucking PSP. Anyways, let's go to my C plugins. Alright. Fuck. Alright, as I can see. Alright. Hate this laptop. Alright. Your C plugins. Pretty much, you'll see a Diva patch folder with all this spice crap and stuff, and my mouse cursor is acting crazy. Anyways, here's the SDK source code that was developed by Codestation. I love Codestation for making this patch. Anyways, let's get back on topic. Pretty much simply extract the Diva patch to your C plugins. If you don't have your C plugins, be smart and create one. Alright? I have some from all the videos I watched. They say, what happens if I don't have a C plugins folder? Well, simply fucking create one. Alright. Anyways, back to business. Alright. After you're done downloading that, go to your game. Text, like I said, don't be dumb. Create your game game and the VSH and pops text, because of all the videos I watched. Oh my god. Alright, I'm on PSP Go, so for PSP Go it would be EF0, but if you have a regular PSP it would be MSO0. So pretty much, if you EF0 C plugins dash right directly of it would be Diva patch. So be Diva. Sorry if you can't see that. Try to zoom on it. There we go. Diva patch dash. Alright. And you would want to write what the fuck is that PRX called? Diva patch.prx. Put Diva patch.prx1. After that, save that. I don't really restart my VSH. I don't know why, because I'm going to the root of the game directly. Alright, since I'm finished with that, look at the Kanana is me for a little bit. Alright. With some users, they'd like to reset their VSH. It doesn't really matter for entering a game or resetting VSHs. Doesn't really matter. I never found the point to it. And that fucking booted fast than usual. Alright. Now basically, make sure in your recovery menu it is connected. Ah, fuck, I have to reset my settings on here. Alright. Memory stick, alright, system storage. Make sure the patch is enabled. Alright. Now for some gameplay. Just to show you that it works. Alright. I'm not gonna really play because I'd be on remote joylight instead of playing on here, or I'd have it connected to Bluetooth to my controller. Sega my ass. Anyways, description, load. I was on an older version of the Diva patch, and they came in. Codestation packed in some new things in version 2 R1. Alright, as you can see, it's in English. Yay! Alright, let's see if everything's mostly in English. Alright, you got Gaeto, Miku, Setsun Miku, Yowain Haku, Akita, Nuru, Migito, Kaito, Magurain, Luka, Kagami Ren, and Hatsu Miku. As you can see, I love Luka. Alright, the songs, I'll try to pronounce some of them. Palette, Starduster, Naruto no Kata Maid, and Russian Yuinki, known as Meltdown by Rin, Electric Angel, Yellow, Puzzle, Bayuka Yaku Shinju, and Just Be Friends, Melanie, Luka, Star Night Fever, Stargrazer, let's see, Rolling Girl, and I don't even know how to pronounce that, but these are right translations of Project Diva for sure, because codestation knows how to know Japanese, I guess. Because if it was some random person, then they would not know what the fuck to do. But codestation is a reliable person for translations like this. So, hope you liked the video. Please like and hope you enjoyed it. Sorry I'm recording on my camera instead to my screen. Like I said, my mic's broken, so you won't hear shit from me. So, peace out, and see you in the next YouTube video if I make one. See ya, and bye.